Afternoon, everybody. This is lesson for Year 9, Lesson 5. As you know, teachers for ICT, if you go to groups, I've actually featured the Year 9, 8, and Year 7 groups, so they should all be at top. You click on your group, which should be Year 9, and then there should have been already a Lesson 5 from last week, which I uploaded, and Lesson 5 Invoice. Click on that, and you should come here. Right, actually got just one attachment today, which is, well, so far, which is the invoice. If you download the invoice starter, download it and then launch it, and go to, let's see, okay, it's taking a little bit of time. Right, invoice starter 1. We actually going to have a look at invoices today. I've got examples of real invoices, 3 examples. If you could have a look at them. Bear in mind, what I would like you to do, have a look at the customer account number, customer address, order number. I mean, they may be labeled differently, but in essence, it's what it means on the invoices I have. The date, invoice number, quantity, description, price for each product, VAT charges, total for products, and total to pay, including VAT. Have a look at the examples first, real life examples, and then look at the criteria, which is here. What I would like you to do is create an invoice using Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet package that you actually have. You should have a letterhead from last lesson, which should appear sort of somewhere at the top here, sort of logo on the right, left-hand side, or your company details on the right, or vice versa, entirely up to you. As you can see, per invoices, logo and address, etc. I would like this information on to your invoice. In the most basic format, what I'd like you to do, I'm going to go through, let's just say you have a product. I mean, you're going to have to design your own, and however it fits you. It doesn't have to be in this particular way. I'm going to do a very brief one. Let's say product, you have Coke, and you have unit price, which is for 1 Coke would be 0.5 LE, and then quantity, and you want 3 of them. Now total price for here is, total price should be, how do we work it out? Right, it's basically this cell times this cell equals. So press equals, this cell, press on that, times is shift plus 8 times this cell, then press enter, and it's for 1.5. Let's just say we have crisps. Just give me an example. Each crisp is worth 1 LE. We want 6 of those. Right, instead of doing the formula again as we did here, there's something called fill handle. It's the black box here. When you put the cursor on it, from white it should change to black. Press it, drag it down, and it should copy the formula there. We want a total without the VAT. Highlight it to make it simpler. Go to the top, press auto sum. That's a total. Now we want the VAT. VAT in the UK is 15%, so let's just keep it as 15%. We want a VAT from here. Equals, so whenever we want to start a formula, press equals. This times, which is shift plus 8, 0.15, which is 15%. Press OK, and this is the VAT. Then we have the grand total. All we then do is make it simpler. This plus this equals this. So call it equals this plus this, and we have that. Right click, go to format cells, and go to currency, and currency you can have EGP, which is Egyptian. It should be somewhere here. There we are, and that's it. That's how you create an invoice. Roughly format them according to how you need them.